It has been muggy since we have gone through the weekend, and especially today. Boy, that was just, it's thick when you walk outside. And we have seen some thunderstorms developing in this warm and humid air mass. As we look across Georgetown and Scott County with our Kentucky One Health weather bug camera from Georgetown College, those are little puffy decorator cumulus out there, so no worries from those. We can find thunderstorms, though, on the MaxTrack Live Doppler. And you see them primarily north and east, but we've got a few others developing. Got one going now in Whitley County. That one is just popping up. So let's take you on a quick tour of these, and we'll show you even how these storms came to be today. We've got one shower moving right over Valley View at this point, or very close to it. So you folks there, down there, southern Fayette County, the eastern part of Jessamine County, northern Madison County, got that little quick shower. Everybody else pretty much dry. We go into the bigger storm, though, over Mount Sterling, where it has been raining hard, going out 460 at about Camargo. Quite a bit of lightning with that storm, too. And again, this is a real good downpour. As we expanded out, that was actually continue on up into northern parts of Bath County, Sharpsburg, Bethel, getting in on that, now moving through parts of Mason County, too. Eastern part of Rowan County, northern part of Morgan County, seeing these quick downpours as well. But where did these storms come from today? Let's do a little meteorology here. So we're going back to 8 o'clock this morning. There were some big storms that were going across southern Kentucky. I mean, it rained hard from these. You can even see the development of the towers with that and the shadowing taking place there from the sun. So you got this big cirrus shield also that developed from that. So that was the genesis. What happened then as this storm began to collapse? Watch this area in here. It's real faint, it's real subtle, but there's an outflow boundary. See it right there? That headed north. When that happened, it encountered that warm, muggy air mass that developed all of these new storms. So that's how everything got going today. What's also interesting is that right behind that big cluster of thunderstorms, the air is sinking, so the sky really cleared out in southeast Kentucky after the storms. On the MaxTrack, we'll be tracking plenty of storms through this week. The 8th day, the mugginess is going to hang around, but the heat is kind of easing here. Normal high still sits at 86. That'll be changing in about a week. So we saw the 90s yesterday, 90 today, so we've got those numbers going. There's a cool down through the middle of the week before we start rebounding toward the weekend. Even 90 at the Bluegrass Airport, dew points at 71. It is muggy out there with that heat index coming in at 96. When you see these numbers that are in the 70s, that's when that is feeling really uncomfortable, and when the heat index ends up separating from the temperature. So again, look at your temperatures, then we look at the heat index to go along with it. The greater that separation, the muggier the air is. So when you get a 5 and 6 degree separation, it's really sticky. So watch that thunderstorm blossom up this morning. I mean, really vivid, all by its lonesome there too. Kind of like the storm we had Saturday. Eastern Fayette County got deluged. Nobody else saw anything. It was the only storm in the entire state. And again, just a scattering of storms as we go through this afternoon. So again, there's a front sitting up here to the north. That's going to take a little shot at us. As we get to tomorrow morning, your chance of showers and thunderstorms will increase with it. It really never quite gets here, though. We're going to wait for the second front to get in here on Wednesday. That will be your better chance for seeing thunderstorms come through. So with all that in mind, here's your forecast specifically tonight. You've got a partly cloudy sky. It's humid. Scattered thunder showers will be around, both early and then again late. Low 70s tonight, upper 80s tomorrow. Another muggy day. Thunderstorm chances, especially in the afternoon. We get to Wednesday, that's our best chance for rain with temperatures in the low 80s, more scattered storms on Thursday, and even off and on into this weekend as well. That's a fairly wet-looking forecast, isn't it?
It is. It makes you like, ugh, but...
It's not 40 days and 40 nights of rain. It's not going to rain that entire time. So, yeah.
All right, Bill, thank you.